In this lesson, we will see together les pronoms compléments d'objet indirect. But more precisely, we will see vous. So let's see together what are les pronoms compléments d'objet indirect. And the first thing, they are used to replace nouns that refer to people or things that receive the action of the verb. This is really, really important. So let's agree on that. These nouns that they will replace will receive the action of the verb in the sentence. And the second thing that is extremely important, they are called indirect because they will replace nouns that are introduced by the preposition a. So these nouns that they will replace receive the action of the verb and are introduced by the preposition a. So this is what we call les pronoms compléments d'objet indirect. So this lesson is about vous. The indirect object pronoun vous can be translated into various ways in English, such as to you, for you, or simply you. Keep in mind, it can also refer to both the singular formal you and the plural you in English. So remember, we can use it for the singular formal form, you, and the plural form, you. So let's see some examples with vous. Je vous offre un verre de vin. Je vous offre un verre de vin. Elle vous montre ses photos de vacances. Elle vous montre ses photos de vacances. Le directeur vous parle toujours avec respect. Le directeur vous parle toujours avec respect. Les enfants vous apportent des fleurs. Les enfants vous apportent des fleurs.